Matthew 27. They take Jesus go meet Pilate. For early morning, the priest oga dem and the elders come dey plan as they go take kill Jesus. They tie am, come take am go meet Pilate wey be governor. Judas kill himself. When Judas wey sell Jesus see say they don condemn am, im mind come dey judge am for wetin e do. So he return the 30 silver coins give the priest oga dem and elders. Come say, I don sin as I sell this innocent man make dem kill am. But dem say, how dat one take concern us? Na your business be that. So Judas come throw the silver coins inside the temple. Then he comot, go hang himself. The priest oga dem take the money, come say, Moses law say make dem no put blood money for the temple purse. After they don talk the matter, they come take the money, buy one land where the name the Potter Field, and na strangers dem dey bury for there. Na because of this make dem call the land Blood Field come reach today. So wetin prophet Jeremiah talk come happen. They take 30 silver coins, the money where Israel people don gree to take sell Jesus. Then they use the money take buy the Potter Field, just as God tell me. Jesus and Pilate. As Jesus stand for the governor front, the governor come ask am, na you be the Jew people king? Jesus answer, na as you talk. When the priest oga dem and the elders dey accuse Jesus, he no answer dem. Then Pilate tell Jesus, you no dey hear all the things wey dem dey talk say you do? But Jesus no answer. And the governor come surprise well. For Passover feast, the governor dey always release one prisoner give the people. That time, e get one wicked prisoner, and the name na Jesus Barnabas. So when they don gather, Pilate ask them, who una want make I release give una? Jesus Barnabas or Jesus Christ? Because Pilate know say na jealousy make them bring Jesus Christ come meet am. As Pilate sit down for the judgment seat, him wife send message go meet am say, no put hand for that innocent man matter, because last night I dream bad dream about am. But the priest oga dem and the elders say make the people ask for Barnabas so that dem go fit kill Jesus Christ. The governor come ask them again, which one for these two people una want make I release give una? Dem answer, Barnabas! So Pilate come still ask them, then wetin I go do with Jesus wey dem dey call Christ? All of them come answer, nail am for cross. Pilate come ask, why? Which bad thing he do? But they come dey shout more. Nail am for cross! Soldiers condemn and laugh Jesus. When Pilate see say the people no gree and trouble wan start, he come take water, wash him hand for the people front, dey say, "This man blood no dey my head. Make only una go kill am." The people answer, "Make him blood dey our head and our children own." Then Pilate release Barnabas give them. After them flog Jesus Christ, Pilate come give am to them, make them nail am for cross. The soldiers take Jesus Christ enter the governor house, and all of them come gather am. They remove him cloth, come wear am cloth wey make am be like king. Then take shuku make crown, wear am for him head, put walking stick for him hand, then lie down for him front, come dey laugh am, dey say, "Make una hail you people king o." Dem spit for him body, come take walking stick knack him head many times. When dem laugh am finish, dem remove the king cloth wey dem wear am, come wear am him own cloth. Then dem take am go nail for cross. Dem nail Jesus for cross. As dem dey go outside, dem see one man from Cyrene wey him name na Simon, and dem come force am make he carry Jesus Christ cross. When dem reach one place wey dem dey call Golgotha, wey mean skull place, they come give Jesus Christ better wine make he drink. But when he taste am, he no gree drink am. When they don nail am for cross, they come gamble take divide him cloth. They sit down there, they look, make anybody not touch am. On top of him head for the cross, dem write wetin dem take accuse am. This na Jesus Christ, Jew people king. They still nail two thieves near Jesus for cross, one for him right and the other for him left hand. So the people where they pass where Jesus dey, come they laugh am and they shake their head. They say, "You say you go destroy the temple, come build am back for 3 days. Make you save yourself. If you really be God pikin, make you come down from the cross." Now like this too, the priest oga them, the law teachers, and the elders, they laugh am, say, "He save other people, but he no fit save himself." If he come down now from the cross, we go believe say na him be Israel king. Since he trust God, make God come save am now. Because he say, "I be God pikin." The thieves where dem nail for cross near Jesus Christ still dey curse am too. Jesus die E con happen say from 12 go reach 3 o'clock for afternoon, darkness con cover the whole land. When 3 o'clock wan reach, Jesus Christ con shout, Eli, Eli, lema sabachthani, wey mean, my God, wetin make you abandon me? Some of the people wey hear the word con say, this man dey call Elijah, make e come help am. At once, one of them run go bring sponge, come soak am for wine wey don sour, put am for stick, then come give Jesus make e drink. But the remaining people say, leave am, make we see whether Elijah go come save am. So Jesus Christ cry again, then he can't die. At once, the temple curtain tear from up go reach bottom. The ground begin shake and rocks come scatter for everywhere. Graves open and God people wey don die come wake up. After Jesus rise from grave, God people wey don die follow am rise. Then they come enter the holy town with am, and many people see them. When the soldiers oga and the people wey dey guide Jesus Christ see the earthquake and wetin happen, they fear well, come say, true, this man na God pikin. Many women wey follow Jesus Christ from Galilee and where they help am, dey there too. They dey look wetin dey happen for there. Mary Magdalene, Mary wey be James and Joseph mama, and Zebedee children mama, dey there too. Jesus Christ burial. When evening reach, Joseph, one rich man from Arimathea, wey be Jesus Christ disciple, go meet Pilate, come ask am for Jesus Christ body. So Pilate come say make dem give am the body. So Joseph carry the body, come wrap am with clean white cloth. He put am inside him own new grave wey he dig inside rock. Then he roll one big stone cover the grave mouth. Mary Magdalene and the other Mary sit down for the other side wey face the grave. People wey dey guide the grave. The next day, wey be Sabbath day, the priests oga dem and the Pharisee people come gather for Pilate front. They say, Oga God, we remember say when that wayo man still dey for this world, he talk say after 3 days he go wake up. So may you give order, may they guide in grave until the 3 days go reach. If not, him disciples go thief him body, come tell people say he don wake up from death, and this go make the last wayo worse pass the first one. So Pilate tell them, make una take these plenty soldiers, go guide the place as una want. So they carry soldiers, go guide the grave, and they come block the grave mouth, so that Jesus Christ no go fit come out. All of us for Barnabas Corner, they say we thank una for watching. Abeg, una go help us subscribe to the channel. Then now click that notification bell so that anytime we upload another new video on our phone, go green una. Una go help us like the video, una help us share am with una friends, and most important, make una tell us wetin una think for the comment section below. May Baba God bless all of us. Amen.